states and 13 countries, from New York to California, from Syria, South Korea, Austria, Burma, Malaysia, and more. These new students have come to make Monmouth College their home.
My name is Phil Betts, and I serve as the Director of Admission here at Monmouth. And I'm here representing the Office of Admission and the staff who has been working with you for many months to help you all make this day possible. The purpose of me being here on stage today is to ceremoniously hand you over to the faculty who are sitting just behind you there. But since many of you literally made us sweat it out over this last year, just make sure that all of you came here, particularly those of you who made that decision in the last month, and you know who you are, or the last week even. I thought I'd return the favor on this 90-degree day and let you sweat it out just a little bit to know how we in the Office of Admission felt in making sure we all got you here today.
To be a member of a liberal arts faculty like this one means that we have devoted our professional lives to teaching. We engage in scholarship and creative activity, and this work fuels our teaching. But at base, we are professors who have as our primary passion the teaching and learning that takes place in our interactions with you, undergraduates. That is not the case at many colleges and universities today. It is the case here.
This is a great time of change for all of you. You've all been given an opportunity that some wait their whole lives for and others will never experience. So I don't ask you to fulfill our expectations or even your own. I challenge you to exceed them. And remember, it's great to be a Scot.
Thank you, Adam. Wow, what a group. You're almost up on the platform. If you're all here, you're going to be the biggest class we've had since your great-grandfathers came back from World War II and 4 classes of graduating seniors all came to college at the same time. That's, of course, only true if you're all here. You are all here, aren't you? Good. You know, Mr. Betts noticed that you were sweating a little. But imagine what it's like for your faculty back there in the heavy robes. They're probably sweating a bit today and maybe even squirming a little bit. So I suggest that sometime during my speech you sneak a look over your shoulder, because in about a month, during your first exams, they're going to be up front and they're going to watch you sweat and squirm a little. So enjoy a peek today, and if you turn around to smile a little bit, I won't tell them. What a marvelous adventure you begin today. In just a few short years that we share, you'll create a story and then spend the rest of your life interpreting it. You bring to this college a life that is already well begun. Your character is taking shape. Your parents hope they've instilled in you a value system and a work ethic that will serve you well during these action-packed years. We hope so too. At the same time, we and you know there is much developing yet to do. These college years will play a crucial role in getting you ready to craft a life and a living. You will discover much about yourself in this complex world you must navigate. But of more immediate concern today is what you will discover, not about yourself, but about this college that you have so thoughtfully selected. You think you know a lot about it, but you're going to find out a lot more. What will it do for you? What will you do for it? How will it help you become a responsible citizen? Let me give you a clue that will help you understand your college. Some colleges are like retail stores. They sell credits, and those can be eventually cashed in for a diploma. You won't understand Monmouth College if you think of us as a store and yourself as a customer. Other colleges are more like professional offices. They offer useful and valuable advice, and they provide sophisticated services. That's closer to what we are, but you will still miss the mark if you imagine that we are a law firm or a medical practice and that you are a client or a patient. Think of us instead as a philanthropy. That advice won't be of much help if you don't know what a philanthropy is. Break that word apart and you will find that it means lover of people. You have joined an organization whose purpose is to love people. In a few short years, we will send you forth with the expectation that you will bring insight and humanity to a complex and ever-changing world. It's a tough task, so don't waste a minute. Begin immediately to make the important decisions that will prepare you to make ours a better world.
Straight from the heart of everyone who here has college life begun, come sounding through the balmy air, this fervent wish, this heartfelt prayer. Oh God, thy blessing we implore on Monmouth College evermore. May all our efforts ever be to honor thee. Sturdy the band of pioneers who planted for the coming years. Sturdy the ones who here are met to reach the goals therefore they're set. Oh God, thy blessing we implore on Monmouth College evermore. May all our efforts ever be to honor thee.
We, students at Monmouth College, with this rite of matriculation, make the following pledge. That we will accept responsibility for our lives while here at Monmouth College. That we will endeavor daily to choose the course of action that ensures our own growth and well-being and that of our fellow students. That we will act with honesty and integrity in all that we do. That we will share openly our own values, thoughts, and beliefs, just as we will listen, committed themselves to our learning and development. And finally, that we will honor the history, traditions, rules, and regulations of the college so that we might further its mission, enhance its reputation, celebrate its good name, and continue the legacy of those who have come before us.
You matriculate at Monmouth College with the full expectation that you will, in a few fleeting years, graduate from this special institution. The next time we call you together with friends and family on this plaza, we will celebrate your successful completion of the Monmouth College Challenge. Your time with us as a student is finite. That it has a beginning today and will end on a gorgeous spring day not many years hence. Don't waste a moment of this special experience. Times of transition are often marked by meaningful traditions that are rich with symbolism. Rites are exchanged at weddings, or rings are exchanged at weddings, candles blown out on birthdays, and 21 guns fired at funerals. Like all great colleges, Monmouth has many traditions that you will come to know and love. You will experience 3 of these in just a few minutes. The first is only 3 years old, the second is in its 9th year, and the third has been around as long as most of us remember. As you follow the pipers out of this ceremony, the marshals will lead you up to microphones which are on the ends of the first rows. In turn, you will step forward and you will state your name at that microphone. In so doing, you will speak yourself into the Monmouth family. 20 or 40 or 60 years from now, you will think back on this simple task of stating your name and consider how you were personally committing yourself to a community that launched your career or provided you a spouse or produced your best friends and imparted the wisdom that makes you a person of impact. After you speak yourself into our community, our alumni will give you a special memento. I have one of them here. They'll be standing back by the fire hydrant. And as you walk out, they will give you a coin. And this represents for our alumni a way of transmitting value and wealth to another generation. Finally, as you exit this plaza, you will walk between a double row of faculty lining the sidewalk. Their intent is to welcome you to the community with a smile or a handshake, a high five, or a fist pump. Your choice.
John Arthur Williams III.
Cindy Sugley. Gabrielle General. Karina Silva.
Alan Dewald.
Heather Skender.
Sharika West.
Trent Ryan.
Dustin Watts.
Rosa Gloria Mendez.
Brock Tomes. Rodney Jordan. Jacob Ortiz. Brad Dooley. Trevor Otte. Jacob Marks.
Jordan Ashby.
Mike Bixel. Owen McCurry.
Brianna Fuller.
John Rivera Jr.
Katie Young.
Stephen Baston.
Krista Hughes.
Muhammad Ahmed.
How's everything going?
Thank
you.
Mario Fuller.
I welcome you. Tanner Gary.
Thank you very much.
Madeline Cook.
Wade Mayway.
T. Dotson. Tia Graham. Rachel Whitson. Samantha Moran.
Kevin Morganson.
Sandra Bullock.
Yeah. We'll miss her, but